Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to email AliExpress customer service. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, search for AliExpress customer service email. Its website does not provide any information regarding its email, but here you can find this email over here. It is one of the official customer service email by AliExpress, so you can try to connect with them through this email. Or you can simply go to AliExpress website. On the website, here you can see the profile icon at the top, tap on it. If you scroll down, here you can see the help center option, tap on it. Now select online service. Here you can see the option chat with agent now, so tap on it. In this section, you can chat with the live customer service agent, so you can ask for the responsive email address. So that's it. That's how you can find customer service email of AliExpress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.